Kafka writes to Romeo, "You maintain a sense of balance in the midst of great success. Do we have to start the morning with an abstraction? It is not like the New Year, the warning, be cautious while walking in darkness alone. Writing letters is actually an intercourse with ghosts, and by no means just the ghost of the addressee, but also with one's own ghost, which secretly evolves inside the letter one is writing, or even in a whole series of letters, where one letter corroborates another and can refer to it as witness. The Dada method, generation random, sense arising from accident, everybody's nightmare, intentional irrelevance. People have hardly ever deceived me, but letters always have. You face a blank wall, and the shadow you make is the Buddha, the form of your hands, your thumbs, the Buddha. You're breathing in and out, the Buddha, the Buddha. In the kitchen, the Buddha is talking. Writing letters is actually an intercourse with ghosts. And out the window, in the leafy sunshine, children climb the green September hill. Old survivals in New York, people know how to dream. You're transforming yourself into someone who is certain to succeed. One can think about someone far away, and one can hold on to someone nearby. Everything else is beyond human power. As if there were a disaster here, a disaster lurking, wolf in the trees, murder in the shadows. The wheel of good fortune is finally turning in your direction. When the story comes to an end, write a new story. Momentum is possible, but you're resisting. Fireworks display, children scream, then scream again, flash of lightning. A plane overhead breaks the birdy stillness. Suddenly everyone seems lovely, regrettable, missable. In the Zendo, the shadow of the Buddha. Don't forget, you are always on our minds. Unless it's just the self, carrying the weight of the self, the matches, the makings of fire, and burns those bridges down. No harm in putting all your eggs in one basket. Just watch it closely. And where do we go from here, if not back to the demand for meaning, representation, order, rules, laws, obedience, predictability, safety, common sense, madness in the eye of the loop, like a sentence you want to escape? You are in for an enlightening experience. People have hardly ever deceived me, but letters always have, and as a matter of fact, not those of other people, but my own. These are evidently inventions devised at the moment of crashing. They will not starve, but we will perish. What's interesting here, I did not write. After the postal system, the ghosts invented the telegraph, the telephone, the wireless. Your self-confidence shines and makes a great impression on others. Appearance can be deceiving. Remember, endurance makes gold. The opposing side is so much calmer and stronger. Written kisses never arrive at their destination. The ghosts drink them up along the way. Do not desire what you do not need. What am I trying to tell you, lover, friend? How you look like Elvis, only better. In order to eliminate as much of the ghost's power as possible and to attain a natural intercourse of tranquility of soul, people have invented trains, cars, airplanes, but nothing helps anymore. Only language is talking here. What the method omits is the conscious development and unfolding of structured thought. Instead produces obsessive pastiche, collage, montage, with highlighted moments of insight, revelation. Momentum is possible, but I'm resisting. How did people ever get the idea they could communicate with one another by letter? Soon I will have known you longer than I drank. Aim less, Gertrude said it did so. All your hard work will soon be paid off. But there is still a something here, a something wanting to be said, a wanting, a waiting, a tip of the tongue, a word, a sound, a syllable, a sword to be swallowed, an act of volition, a violence. He might have yet. But you, there is a you somewhere that I love, maybe sometime you, but not you, no longer you, once you no more. A woman is singing at the dining room table, at work with herself and singing. But it turns out she's wearing a Walkman, the song's not hers. Nothing is dear to him, nothing is lovely. Writing letters, on the other hand, means exposing oneself to the ghosts, who are greedily waiting precisely for that. Romeo writes back. The Dada method, generation random, sense arising from accident, everybody's nightmare, intentional irrelevance in the Zendo, the shadow of the Buddha.